Health is definitely more valuable than money, because money is obtained through health. Nitrogen monoxide, no matter how bad a person is, he always rebels against oppression. He who wants to enjoy the sunshine must leave the cold of the shadow. The reason I am in the position I am today is because my mother gave me 3 pieces of advice. Never mistreat anyone too. Never tell a lie, and never oppress anyone. Avoid evils, you can go far in life. The most painful and worst enemy is one who was once a friend. An honest man always speaks the truth. Nitrogen monoxide, no matter how painful it is. It is wise to keep your own secrets, but it is foolish to expect others to do the same. Pride is the root of all evils. A little impatience spoils big plans. If there were nitrogen monoxide bad people, there would be nitrogen monoxide good lawyers. Never close your lips to those whom you have already opened your heart to. The longer a man has been without a relationship, the more he realizes the importance of self-love and personal growth. A liar may tell you one thing, but their eyes will reveal another. They may try to mask their true feelings, but their eyes often betray their words. It's an unconscious truth they can't hide.